For future generations, I could tell you this story. When I came back looking for a job, I wrote many letters. I never got a single response. And my mother said, "Ivan, maybe you should change your name." I can't tell you the effect that still has on me when I think of it. To my father's side, be true to yourself. Drop the euphemisms. Say who you are. Believe in what you are. It's the only courage you'll ever have. It's the only way in which you can believe in yourself. It doesn't mean that you'll believe in the future. The future is up to you. You've got to survive. You've got to carve it out for yourself. But don't retreat from it. Don't retreat from who you are. Don't be born Jewish but non-observant. Acknowledge that there is a wonderful history behind you. And remember one thing, that many of the great nations that persecuted us went under. And we're still here. Rome is gone, and we're still here. And I always thought of that as a way of saying that when I look upon fellow Jews, it's no accident that if you travel, let's say you're on a tour, it's no accident that out of 50 people, the 6 Jews in the group will find each other. Why? We sing the same song.